Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Stock number is A6835. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Bridgestone tires. Inside, leather interior. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust on the back. Taking a look in the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside you have audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a 6-disc changer, climate control and dual heated seats, and your manual transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Miata on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.